Anyway, I am going into the garment business. I is going to make my own clothes.
Mr. Oliver, you sew for yourself or to sell to people, sir?
No, missus, girl, I'm back in the kitchen here. Me have work for you.
Yeah, Mr. Oliver, no bother me.
No, we have put the calculator. And I want my pencil and paper. And then I'm going to need about 7 machines. And I want some cloth. And I want some staff people. And my export status. Oh yes. These look very lovely. Very nice, very nice. Puncie?
Yes, sir.
Puncie, please to come here, please.
Yes, sir.
Puncie, how the collection going?
Collection, sir?
Yes.
After we not into church, sir?
Mrs. How you so fool doing? You mean to tell me say you're into the fashion business and you don't know what collection is? Collection is like when we make the clothes them, collect them up, we put them in a fashion show and such the like.
Fashion show, sir. Then we can muggle to, sir. We know how to swim me if you know, sir. Oh, me look Mr. Oliver.
Puncie, I think it was Mr. Shakespeare or one of them man that did say ambition should be made of sterner stuff. Man, you broke your foot out of them. Look, you know, no matter with the muggling business, you hear. Go back, go fail. You head favor than shag carpet.
Mr. Oliver, are you same man they tell me say you know, sir? If me go land for walking at the high heel boot, me could have become one of the muggle for your boutique you. And are you same man they trust me they would and dry it out of my fear, you know, sir?
So? There's no progress. Anyway, darling, take your mind off of the muggling thing, you hear? May have other use for your talent in other places.
Like what, sir?
Back! In this one. I'm not doing nothing. No locks. The 806 and 3/4 factory doing well, you see. Oh yes, man. I get a big order for so sheet for parakeet. Some people say that, not big. But in business, nothing is small for me. So if it's sheet for parakeet them want, it's sheet for parakeet them going to get. Alright? Now, let me look about the collection. You see me here? I don't believe in failure. Anything I put my mind to, I have to do it. I'm going to put on a fashion show that make your heart pulse, and all the others them look like Valley. Puncie, the muggles them come yet?
No, sir.
I wonder where them could be doing. The audience come?
Yes, sir. Only for people out there, especially since you did promise them free dinner after the show, sir.
Licky never fail. Catch them with them belly every time. But I wonder what could happen to the muggles them doing. The audience is here, but no muggles. I wonder if they never get the letter when I sent to them. Puncie, don't you did mail the letter them when I gave to send out what day?
Mail letter, sir. Which letter, sir?
Oh, you mean what letter? The same letter them when we give from the post out from week before the last. Those same letter to invite the muggles boys and girls to come and muggle my collection. The same collection they want me invite so much people to come and look about. And you are telling me, Puncie, get up. Puncie, what wrong with you, eh? Puncie, get up and tell me say you mail them letter there, you know. Because if you don't mail them might as well, you know, get up. Oliver boy, you have to do it. As Nene Nuda say, man born fi drown can't hang.
Well, it's my turn to muggle now.
Puncie, no bother with it. Save the muggling business. Leave it for those people who know.